How to disassemble or assemble GMB100 brake line. The tools you will need for brake line replacement are a 10mm wrench and a knife. Loosen the screws on the brake caliper. Remove the brake line from the caliper. Cut the zip ties securing the brake line to the frame. Rotate the screws near the brake and pull out the brake line. Insert the brake line into the brake lever. Thread the brake line through the frame. Thread the brake line through the brake caliper. Tighten the screws on the brake caliper with a 10mm wrench.